It's the FindLaw DIY team here to talk to you about 3 ways you can make charitable donations after you die. You can leave a gift to the charity of your choice in your will. You can change your will at any time if you wish, and you can list a backup charity for the gift in case your first choice is unable to accept your donation. If you're looking for other ways to transfer assets to your favorite charities, you can name them as beneficiaries on your accounts. You can list a charity as the beneficiary of your life insurance policy, retirement account, or IRA. Setting up a charitable trust is another way to use your estate to benefit a charity of your choosing. Trusts are set up to benefit a designated party, and by creating a charitable trust, you can benefit a nonprofit organization, private foundation, or public charity. You can use FindLaw's DIY estate planning forms to create your last will and testament. There's even an option that allows you to include charitable donations in your will. Legal solutions start here. Get started today at FindLaw.com and be sure to subscribe and visit the links in the description to learn more.